Hi, it's a weekend craftaholic, and if you're a regular on my channel, you'll know that I love trying lots of different crafts, and I've got something very different for you today. This is just going to be an unboxing video, but as soon as I've had a chance to play with this, I'm going to do another video just giving more of a product review. But for now, I wanted to share what I've got with you. Now, I'll put all the links down below as always, but this is from Craspire. Now, let me show you this first. Now you can see from the title and the thumbnail that this is all about wax seals, and look at this little set. This is full of all of these gorgeous wax chips. I'm not going to open it just yet. I love that it's got some metallics in here as well. This is the colour of my craft room, so I'm definitely going to be trying out some of those, and I love that it's got these as well. I'm wondering if they're going to dry clear. So I'm going to have fun playing with this. Now I did reach out to them to see if they wanted to do a collaboration, which is great because they did send me some of these products free of charge, as well as me paying for some as well direct. So it's a part paid promotion, if you like. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got a gold and silver metallic pen. So I presume that's for writing on the wax seals with. Now this is one of the things that I ordered myself. Now I did get this idea from Emma Jane Lefebvre. I'll put her YouTube link down below as well. She was using these products, but she didn't have this, and I think this is going to be the game changer because, let me just open this. She was having to keep hold of this while she melted it, but as you can see, this is a little stand. So you put this over your little tea light, and then the wax will gradually melt, and while it's nice and safe and rested. Now let's see what else we've got. You can see I've got quite a few of the different seals. That was something I wanted to do whilst I was ordering this. I have some different designs, and again I'll show you those in more details in a couple of weeks when I've played with this. This one has already come with this cat and moon and flower design on it, and as you can see, it just comes straight off. It comes with 4 tea lights as well, but we all have those in our stash, don't we? So let's dig straight into some of these designs. There was so many to choose from, honestly. I wasn't sure what to go with, but I've got my little doggy prints here. What else did I get? I love this one. This says for you, so I think that's going to be great when I'm doing my card making. Nice and personalised. Obviously, wax seals are associated with invitations. There you see I've got a K. My name is Karen, so I thought that would be great. So yeah, I'm not going to limit just to invitations. We don't tend to send paper invitations anymore, do we? This is a Merry Christmas one. This is what I'm going to use on my Christmas cards. And lastly, I didn't realise I got so many. I think maybe they may have sent an extra one or not. This says the word hello. So really looking forward to playing with all of these. I am going to use them on my Christmas cards, as I just mentioned, but I think they're also going to be great just in my general crafting and making my own wax seals. I know some collections do come with like a fake seal for you to stick straight on as part of the sticker collections, but I think it's going to be so much fun and unique making this myself. I've got some ideas on using these. I'm going to try mixing some colours together as well, see how well that goes, and then once they've set and dried, I'll be able to, hopefully, I'm going to give it a go, use some adhesive then to stick it on a layout as well. But that is a very quick unboxing. As you can see, I've got heaps of stuff in here, so I'm going to have fun playing with this. So if you'd like to see more on this product and you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. It'll be in a couple of weeks' time, I hope, where I get to show you what I create. I've got some different ideas on using glitter with it, as well as some sequins, as well as some different inks as well. So I'm definitely going to have a good play with this one weekend. But for now, that is just the unboxing. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd also love you to leave comments down below if there's anything particular you want me to test, or if you've got something like this yourself and you've got some tips for me. I'd love to hear from you. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great crafting week.